Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Branzino fish fillets. To begin, ensure your Branzino fillets are fresh, scaled, and completely deboned. The next crucial step is to thoroughly pat them dry using paper towels. This is essential for achieving that wonderfully crispy skin we all love. Finally, season both sides generously with a good quality sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious meal. Now, let's achieve that perfect crispy skin through pan-searing. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a non-stick pan over medium-high heat until it shimmers. Carefully place the fillet skin side down, pressing gently to ensure full contact with the pan. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until the skin is golden brown and wonderfully crisp. Then, flip them over and cook for just 1 to 2 more minutes on the flesh side until the fish is opaque and cooked through. If you prefer baking, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 200 degrees Celsius. Drizzle about 1 tablespoon of olive oil over your Branzino fillets and arrange them on a baking sheet. Bake for approximately 10 to 12 minutes, or until the fish easily flakes with a fork. For an extra burst of flavor, consider adding lemon slices, fresh herbs like thyme or rosemary, or minced garlic to the baking sheet before cooking. Once cooked, serve your Branzino fillets immediately with a bright squeeze of fresh lemon juice. They pair beautifully with light, fresh sides such as roasted asparagus, a simple green salad, or fluffy quinoa. Garnish with some freshly chopped parsley or dill to add a vibrant touch and enhance the presentation. For the best culinary experience, enjoy your delicious Branzino within 1 day of preparing it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.